Hello everyone. As promised, magbibigay ako ng update regarding the effects of Snow-Caps L-glutathione after taking it for 30 days. Bali, naubos ko na yung isang box at meron ulit akong isa pang box nito. Bali, good for 30 days din. Pero ang ibibigay ko na update ngayon is yung effect sa akin ng glutathione na ito after taking it for 1 month or 30 days. Now, so far, ako lang yung nakakapansin ng change sa balat ko. Very minimal lang kasi siya. Medyo nag-improve yung skin complexion ko, pero not to the point na manonotice siya ng ibang tao. By the way, this is just one month of taking Snow-Caps L-glutathione. So, tingnan natin kung may improvement ba siya after taking this for another 30 days. Basta, as I said, after 1 month of taking, wala ako masyadong nakita na change sa skin complexion ko. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung ibang effects niya since magpakatotoo na tayo. The reason why we take glutathione is because we are expecting to its side effects, which is skin lightening. And again, as for skin lightening, so far very minimal lang yung changes niya sa skin complexion ko. Okay, thank you.